Hello friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and today once again I am going to look into my Nifty trading strategy because since I updated last time there was a lot of confusion among many people regarding the stop losses and regarding the minimum quantities being triggered and all those kinds of doubts. Friends, the last video was just given as a reference for you to just highlight that the strategy is still working. If at all you want full details about the strategy, you have to look into the first video which I uploaded. You will also know how to calculate the stop losses, how to calculate the targets or when to enter. All those things will be given detailedly in that video, and also the Excel along with that gives you a clear understanding. Now when it comes to this modern day, I told you there are few modifications which you have to do. So today in today's video I'm just going to show you what is that exactly, or what is that 5 minutes makes a difference. All those things I'm going to show you, and friends, it is working superb. The results are superb when you consider the 5-minute candle. Okay, so I'll just show you the Excel. I have done the full backtesting for full 2019, so I'll show you the full backtest, how it is, what's the performance and all those things. And also, in case if you want the Excel also, you can take it from me and implement the strategy. It is really working superb, excellent. Okay, so stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full details about it. So before going forward, just as usual, want to give you an update about my ATF mentorship program. It's a mentorship program for 6 months where I'm trying to concentrate and teach on trading discipline and money management, friends, because these are the main things which many people lack. They know strategies or my own strategies. Many are uploaded on YouTube, but what happens is that the patience or the emotional balance to control and trade daily the same thing. So in case if you feel you need a mentor to guide you and support you, then you can always subscribe to this program. You can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Yeah. So now going back to our strategy. So this is the same file which I had used to share, which I used to share you the strategy the first time which I uploaded. It is nothing but my first strategy uploaded on my channel Angel Trading Friend. So the strategy was very simple. We just had to keep an alarm at 9:15 and then just auto square off at 3:15. So now we are going to do small modification. The reason because many were telling that they are not able to catch the exact open price, and that is the reason why I have done a small modification that I will be showing you what it has to be done. But apart from that, the strategy is going to be still the same. Now what is the strategy all about? First, as I told, keep alarm at 9:14. So 9:14, 9:15 also is fine, not a problem. Log into your trading terminal and then just watch yesterday. Was it a positive day or whether it was a negative day? So what do you mean by a positive day? Positive day means that the close price is going to be greater than the open price. That is what we mean by positive day. Okay, so if at all you find that the previous day is positive, so we are going to take a probability that today it is going to be negative. So that is, we are going to short today. We are going to sell today when the market opens. Now here is the tweaking done. You will wait for the first 5 minutes to get over. I'll just show you the chart, you will understand. Okay, yeah, so I have opened the 5 minutes chart. You can see I have selected the 5 minutes chart. So the previous day, you can see the market opened here at 11,883 and it has come and closed at 11,849. That means it has come down from 83, it has come down to 49. So yesterday was a negative day. So today we are going to buy at the open price. So usually what happens is everybody used to buy immediately at the open price. So you can see the open price is 11,890 and it's very difficult to catch the open price. People who have tried it out know it. So the solution for this is wait for the 5 minutes candle to get over. I'll just expand it to you so that you'll get an understanding. Yeah, so you just wait for the first 5-minute candle to get over, and as soon as the candle get over, just place order at the high price in case if you have to buy. Okay, so you can see that the high price is 11,898. So there is lot of sufficient time, because you can see after the high hitting, the market has come down and closed at 11,892. So there are points for you to take your time and place the order, and also 1 or 2 points, if at all you gain or lose, won't make a difference at all. So there will be small slippages, so don't worry about it. So you can place an order at the high price of 11,898 and then just leave, nothing else to be done. And friends, trust me, this has really worked out whenever there are these kinds of false breakouts. I'll explain it to you when I show you the Excel sheets. But this is a strategy all about. Let me repeat it once again to you. If at all, if yesterday was a positive day, that is, if the close price is greater than the open price, then just go short today at the 5-minute low. In the same way, it is opposite, vice versa. If yesterday was a negative day, today we have to buy. So immediately buy at the high of today. Simple, very easy. Yes, now I'll take you to the Excel, you'll get a better understanding. So I have done the hard work of calculating, opening the charts and calculating all the 5 minutes high and low price, and then I have made this data for full 2019. So you can see from Jan I have done till October complete. I have completed it and I have tested, and in fact many of you know I was also doing it live trading. So in my screenshots also you were seeing, those who are in touch with me on WhatsApp would have seen on the status, there are few screenshots which had Nifty, and they were asking me what is this strategy, and it is nothing but the same old strategy which I had taught you and I was implementing and I'm trading myself. It's working really nice, and people those who are following the ATF mentorship program also can follow this, not a problem, because you know that strategy is least important for us. The money management is, and trading discipline is the most important part. So this strategy also you can try it out. It is really nice, but just make the tweakings which you have to do for the ATF mentorship program. Fine. Yeah. So now coming to this Excel, I'll just show you a few examples so that you will get an idea, clear understanding. So on 31st October, as per our strategy, it is a buy, because previous day you can see opened at 11,884, it has come down to 11,844. That means it has come down. So on 31st we have to buy. So let us go to 31st chart, we'll get an understanding. So I already showed you this. So the high price is going to be 11,898. I have taken the buy price. You can see this is the buy price, 11,898. Okay, and then it's coming, and so it closes at 320 auto square off. So you can see the close price is 11,872. 11,872. So this, just have to make the change in formula here. Yeah, so you can see there was a loss of 26 points, that is 1,950, because I have just taken as 75. You can see the formula here, points into 75, because one share of Nifty has 75 shares, one lot, sorry, and that is why we have multiplied by 75. So next go to 30th October, you can see that we have got a signal of selling. So 30th October, I'll just show you the graph chart. So we are going to sell it, it's a sell, yes. We are going to sell at 11,885. The low is 11,085. You can see just missed, the previous one came till 84. That is why this trade has been triggered. Otherwise what would have happened is the trade would have not triggered and you would have not got a stop loss. But friend, this is what I was telling you about the false breakouts. Many times we are able to come out of this kind of losses also. That is the beauty of this 5-minute candle. So you can see the low is 11,885. Wait a second, this is 30th October. I was looking into 31, sorry. Yeah, the low is 11,817. You can see the price mentioned here, 11,817. I have taken same 11,817, and this has hit our stop loss. So you can see after coming down, it has started going top, and that is why our stop loss of 50 points is calculated, and we have hit our stop loss of 3,750 in case if you are trading with Nifty one lot of future. Now coming the interesting part. So if at all you see two losses, don't get discouraged, because you can see the big profits will start coming. You can see that on 29th October we had a buy signal. So let us go to 29th October. Yes. So this is 29th October. Though it was a red candle, we are least bothered. Our strategy says for us to buy at the high, and you can see the high price was 11,648. I have done the same thing, 11,648, and by end of the day at 320. Yeah, so you can see it is closed at 11,785. I have taken the same thing, 11,785, and the firm just minus both. 785 minus 648, you can get 137 points and 10,275 rupees profit. Very simple strategy, no much complexity in this, very easy to implement as well. So I'll just show you this one example also. This 25th October, 27th October, as you know, was special screening because of the Deepavali, so that is why we are not consider that. It was just open in the evening, and whenever those kind of trades we avoided. Now coming to the most important part which I want to discuss with you friends. 25th, yeah, 25th we got a buy signal. Yes, so you can see that market opened at 11,646. The open price you can see 11,646. Previously what we used to do was we used to buy at the open price. So you can see that if at all you are buying, you would have ended up making a loss. You can see market is coming down, again it went up, again it came down, but generally it was a loss. But since we are considering the high price to buy, you can see the high price is not triggered at all. The high price is 11,646. So you can see the high price is 11,646, and then you can see there is no trade at all. That is why market has dashed. You can see the high price is not broken at all. Okay, you can see the high price is not broken at all, and we never had a trade on that particular day. Thereby we have saved our stop loss, which was otherwise would have got us. So like this, you can see there are many more days. We can see here, yeah, on this particular day also you can see we missed a stop loss. On this day also we missed a stop loss. On this also we missed a stop loss. In the sense we got rid of getting these stop losses. Okay, so that is how I have done the calculations. I have tested for full 2019, and I've been trading for past 2 months also with this 5-minute method, and it is working superb friends. The points also I'll just show you. Don't get shocked. It's coming to almost 4,149 points if at all you have done with no diversion. Even if there is continuous losses also, if at all you are not diverted, if you have stuck on to the strategy continuously for the full year, you can make a very good profits, very decent returns. In fact, strategy is not important. This is what I was telling you again. We need to control the emotions while trading. Just follow the discipline, daily trade the same thing, and in case if you find losses also, don't lose control. Keep continuously trading it, and then you will find the difference as well. Okay friends, so rest of the strategy I think you all know it. We keep a stop loss of 50 points and then just leave, and it will auto square off at 315. And also the money management is like you have to keep 75,000 for trading one lot of Nifty, and you can keep increasing when you get this capital increases to 75,000. So for 1,50,000 you'll be trading with 2 lot, and with 2,25,000 you'll be trading with 3 lots. So this is what the strategy all about. Just to summarize, keep alarm at 9:15 and log into your trading terminal, and then just place the order. Keep a stop loss of 50 and then just leave. Nothing else to be done. Emotions come into play, so don't look into the screen again. Just place the order and then leave. You can continue with your job, or you can go play outside, or you can do your office work or homework or whatever it is. Don't look into the screen again. That is one thing which you have to start doing, implementing, because it will really control your emotions, friends. Yeah. So in case if you watched my video for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and in case if you like the video, please do press the like button also, and please encourage. And in order to get the backtested file, if at all any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. My number is 8095-876525. And also friends, I have provided the link to join Upstock. You can join it and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades and courses as well. And in case you don't know the benefits of Upstock, you can just go through the website. There's lots and lots of offers. You'll be getting your opening fees back. You'll be getting your free share as well. There is no opening charges as well. So there are many offers provided by Upstock, and it's a very good platform. They have got bracket orders for commodities also. So make use of these facilities, and then make use of the link to join Upstock as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.